drive too fast.
You're just mad because you lost.
I am mad because I lost. So we're on the west side of Charlotte, North Carolina. Now, you remember the Penguin?
Everybody remembers the Penguin.
Well, it closed, but the guy, Greg, opened up a new joint over here on the west side. And you know what? This is Pinky's West Side Grill.
Redneck turf and surf up.
The people, the energy, the food is good. Woo!
Love it. I'm here about 3 or 4 times a week.
This used to be an old garage that worked on Volkswagens. That's why there's a Volkswagen on the roof.
This old garage switched gears from cars to cooking in 2010 when chef and owner Greg Otten cruised over from a legendary local spot. It was about 8 years ago that we met you at the Penguin. And a funky little joint and a great time. That place is closed. Things have changed. To see how you reopened, it's bigger, it's badder, it's faster than it was.
It's everything from, oh, I just want a salad or a fat hamburger with everything on it.
Triple G in the window.
Triple G has 3 patties. It's got slaw, chili, mustard, and American cheese.
And why do you call it the Triple G burger?
Because it was Triple G Volkswagen repair.
See, I thought when you called this the Triple G burger, it was Guy's Grocery Games.
Even in Charlotte, it's got to be about Guy.
All right, what do you got, buddy?
We are making our house-made chili for the Triple G burger.
Got it.
80-20 ground beef. Water going in, yellow onion, fresh garlic.
A lot of garlic.
That's a good thing.
Chili powder, black pepper, seasoning salt, coriander, hot sauce, cumin.
Okay, so this all cooks down, then you add the tomato paste, cook it up, and this will be the chili that's going on top of the Triple G burger.
Let's cook.
Are you just gonna get right into the cooking part of this?
Ready
right
to
now?
cook?
This is it, the Triple G burger. This is what we've been waiting for, huh?
This is what this place was founded
3 5-ounce patties.
on. Stack them up, baby.
Stack them and go.
Oh, my.
We've got the pound of meat, 3 pieces of cheese, house southern slaw, mustard, chopped onions.
And then the chili.
Put this on top.
I want to see you do this.
I don't know how to do this. All right, here we go. Get after that. Greg, I'm telling you, it's fantastic.
You're attacking this thing. It's like a coyote got a hold of it.
Triple G, sir?
It's a sloppy piece of equipment, but it's delicious and filling.
Shrimp tacos up.
Just great food, great atmosphere.
And it's just a wonderful energy that's here.
Greg brings up things that you would think, what? And when you taste it, it's just fantastic.
Corn dog shrimp up.
Corn dog shrimp is delicious.
The corn dog batter is sweet, and then the shrimp tend to be a little bit salty. It's just good.
Okay, what are we making next?
We are making the batter for the corn dog shrimp. Dipsy dog corn dog mix.
That's very old school.
A lot of fairs and circuses and stuff like that use it. We're gonna go in with the water, and we're gonna jump on it with a whisk.
All right, so see how nice and creamy that is? So it'll really coat to that shrimp.
Here we go.
21-25 shrimp.
Grab them by the tail,
By the tail.
dump them in,
Okay, gotta set them in there nice and easy. Float them a
set it
bit.
in, and let it go.
That's so it doesn't just sink to the bottom. Let her fry.
There you go.
What?
Corn dog shrimp ready to go.
Perfect them babies are.
Pretty proud of yourself on these, aren't you?
Yes.
Get in after it.
Oh, yeah. They're so good.
It tastes like a corn dog, sweet, crunchy batter.
Straight from the fair.
Straight from the fair.
Straight from the fair.
Not salty.
The corn dog shrimp is something I've never had, and I'll be back to Pinky's weekly because they're so good.
Corn dog shrimp.
The breading they use on there with the shrimp inside, it's extra sweet.
It's always fresh shrimp. It's great stuff.
Ding dong chicken up.
All the food is right on. It's all around a good experience.
I have a cousin named Pinky, and his real name is Greg. So Pinky, Greg, I mean, this was meant to be.